I used to feel heavy after bread, until I learned this recipe. You probably wouldn't guess why a chef would use this. So let's break it down. In a bowl, add 75 ml of water, a sprinkle of salt, around 1 teaspoon, 38 grams of sourdough, or you can use 7 grams of dry yeast, followed by a teaspoon of honey or date sugar, which is helpful against diabetes. Mix until the sourdough is melt, and then add 135 grams of whole wheat flour. Now mix well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. Do you like cooking? I do, and I like to share my recipes with you because cooking brings us together. You can also send the recipe to someone who loves bread, like me. You can switch from the bowl to a table, such as the table it's easier for kneading. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comments. You can make sourdough by using a piece of the dough we are preparing. If you like the recipe, please let me know. A smooth dough like that. You can make it a ball, put inside the bowl, and cover it with a towel. Then let it rest for 10 minutes in a dry place. Take back our dough and put a teaspoon of chia seeds and around a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now mix everything together. Great! Now add a teaspoon of olive oil and mix everything again. Perfect! Now our bread is ready to rise. So put it in a bowl and cover it. Let it rise from 3 to 12 hours. Put a sprinkle of flour on the table and take back our bread. And look how much it has risen. Amazing, right? Put it on the table and split it in 2 portions. Now form 2 balls by stretching the dough. Just like that. Let the balls rest for 10 minutes. Take back one of the balls, sprinkle some flour on top of it, and flour also a rolling pin. Now roll out the ball into a flat disc. It should be around 1 cm thick and make sure it doesn't stick. Just like that, perfect. Now let the discs rest for 10 minutes. Heat a pan over medium-high heat and once hot, place a bread disc inside. Then flip it around 4 times for 30 seconds each. And once ready, just wrap it with a towel to keep it warm. And repeat the process with the other bread discs. So finally our bread is ready. It smells amazing and it is very soft to the touch. People think all breads are the same. The next recipe proves they're not. Watch it in this video.